Hi guys, so I got in my Mercedes and on the dash there was a light on that showed me a little light bulb. So it means one of the light bulbs is down. So I thought, oh, that's not good. I just changed them all. Uh, what could it be? It was the third brake light, because of course I didn't change that because it's kind of an oddball bulb and I didn't want to order one because I couldn't find one at the auto parts store. So you have to always look which bulb it is. I mean, it's pretty amazing for the technology back in '92 when the Mercedes came out that it tells you that a bulb is out, but it cannot tell you which one it is. Okay, that being said, this is the bulb that had to be replaced. I bought one off Amazon because I could not find one at the hardware store, at the auto parts store. And this is what it looks like. This is actually the old one. I'm going to tell you why. And this here is the number. I'm pretty sure it's 64136, and it's a mini halogen bulb. It's a 21-watt bulb. So I already put it in just because I wanted to try it and had to go somewhere for safety, know how to put it in. And it's pretty easy to do, so I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a job. You don't need any tools. You need a couple hands, bulb of course, and yeah, that's about it. So let's hop in. I'll show you how to replace this bulb. Okay, here we are. I'm in the back seat of the Mercedes, and I put a flashlight here, spotlight here, so you can see a little bit better what's underneath that cover there. I wish we could do this outside, but I can't move the vehicle outside the house right now because there's some work being done outside on the driveway right behind the garage door. The only thing is you have to reach a little bit far, and this lid here is very, very brittle. It's old and brittle, and it already has a crack from the previous owner, and when I put my arm on it, it cracked a little bit more. So be very careful with that. Keep that in mind. I may have to put something underneath that to reinforce that so the lid will not break. What you do then is you gotta position yourself a little bit here so you can reach, and I'm gonna put the camera down for a second because I need my arm to stretch and eventually second arm. Hold on. All right, I got it. It comes off really easy. There's two little clips on the side of the cover, and it comes off pretty easy. And can you see the bulb in the middle there? How about this? This looks good. Okay, what we see here is on both sides there were some weird clips. When you can clip the whole fixture in or out. That's very bizarre to me. Never seen something like that before. Then here I'm gonna stretch out here. This here, that is the bulb. Okay, and you do on a short turn to the right, I believe, and it should come right out. You know, I'm gonna zoom out and I'm gonna try that. See if I can do that one-handed. Nope. Is a turn to the left. So you turn a little bit to the left and it pops out. You can see what it looks like and how it logs in. You see that? So, and it takes the contact with this metal here and the one on the fixture there. So that's the contact for your bulb. So make sure everything is nice and clean. Good. I definitely cannot hold the camera in my hand to put that back in. So I'm gonna put the bulb carefully down here, because you're not supposed to put those halogen bulbs with your fingers because the oil's on your fingers. And normally I have my black gloves on, and I do not have them on today. So I'm going to put the camera back down and put it back in. All right, it's all done. I put the bulb in. It's a little bit tricky to get it in because you have to stretch your arm so far, and it goes in pretty easy there. And then the cover is just plastic cover. It just clips right on, and it doesn't clip very hard. See, it's kind of a little bit bent there from the heat, from the sun and the heat of the bulb and all of the above. All right, that's done. I will go and start the car, and we'll see if the dash light indicator is gone and if the light turns on. And like I said before, I already fixed it and it worked fine, but now that we took it back out, so we got to double check if it still works, or maybe if we put it in wrong and it doesn't work. So let's start the car and see what's going on. There you go, starts right up. And no lights come on. That's good. Turn the lights on for a second. And I do have to reset the service indicator there. So the services have all been done. It shows me 113 days passed, which is not true. I'll be honest, I've been too lazy to check on how to reset this. And now that I see it, it really doesn't look good. I have to do that and reset the indicator there, because when I had the service done on it, they did not do it. Maybe the guys didn't know how, or I don't know, maybe they didn't want to look in the manual just like I didn't want to look in it. Okay, all the lights work. I hit the brakes. I can see it from here that it works. Let's hop outside and have a look at it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Ask me any questions you want about this car, and I'll see you soon.